Welcome back to Turbo Trendz TV, the channel where we bring you the hottest, most detailed car reviews to fuel your automotive passion. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Mazda CX-5, a crossover that continues to set the benchmark for style, performance, and technology. If you're in the market for an SUV that blends refinement with reliability, then stick around because we're about to break it all down. Exterior. Let's start with what meets the eye first. To the exterior. Right off the bat, the 2025 CX-5 embraces Mazda's signature Kodo design philosophy, making it one of the sleekest compact SUVs in the game. The front end commands attention with a newly refined grille that seamlessly integrates with the sharp LED headlights, giving it an aggressive yet sophisticated presence. The updated chrome accents surround the grille and lower bumper add a premium touch, elevating the vehicle's aesthetics to a whole new level. The hood features subtle contouring, contributing to an athletic stance that exudes confidence on the road. The bold Mazda emblem proudly sits at the center, hinting at the brand's commitment to both form and function. Shifting to the side profile, the 2025 Mazda CX-5 maintains its dynamic proportions, but with a few tweaks that make all the difference. The flowing body lines create an impression of motion even when the car is parked, emphasizing its sporty character. The side mirrors, now sleeker and more aerodynamically shaped, feature integrated turn signals for added safety. The newly designed alloy wheels, available in sizes up to 19 inches, further enhance its premium appeal. Depending on the trim level, you'll get a selection of finishes that complement the car's striking body colors. Speaking of colors, Mazda introduces an all-new shade, a deep crystal blue Metallica that absolutely glistens under the sunlight. The roofline gently slopes towards the rear, giving it a coupe-like silhouette while maintaining ample headroom inside. Now, moving on to the rear, this is where Mazda continues to impress. The taillights have been redesigned with a more three-dimensional look, incorporating sharper LED elements that illuminate in a distinct pattern. The rear bumper sees minor refinements, contributing to an overall cleaner aesthetic. Dual exhaust tips give it a sporty flair, subtly hinting at the performance capabilities under the hood. Mazda's signature badging and model insignia remain tastefully positioned, reinforcing the brand's premium yet understated appeal. The power liftgate adds convenience, allowing easy access to the cargo space, which offers generous storage capacity for road trips, groceries, and everything in between. Interior. Stepping inside the cabin, Mazda continues its tradition of crafting some of the most driver-focused interiors in the industry. The moment you settle into the driver's seat, you're greeted by high-quality materials that rival luxury brands. Soft-touch surfaces, premium leather upholstery, and finely stitched details elevate the experience. The 2025 model introduces a redesigned dashboard layout that enhances ergonomics while maintaining a minimalist, uncluttered feel. At the center, a larger 12.3-inch infotainment display sits atop the dashboard, providing crisp graphics and seamless functionality. The latest iteration of Mazda's infotainment system now includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring effortless connectivity on the go. The steering wheel feels just right in your hands, wrapped in leather with intuitive controls for audio, cruise control, and voice commands. Behind it, the digital instrument cluster provides real-time driving data with stunning clarity. Climate controls remain elegantly placed on the center console, offering easy access to dual-zone temperature settings. Heated and ventilated front seats come standard on higher trims, making the CX-5 a comfortable ride regardless of the season. Mazda has also improved sound insulation, meaning road and wind noise are significantly reduced, ensuring a whisper-quiet cabin experience. The rear seats provide ample legroom, making long journeys comfortable for passengers, while the panoramic sunroof available on select trims adds an airy, open feel to the cabin. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Mazda CX-5 offers a choice of two powertrains, catering to both efficiency seekers and performance enthusiasts. The base model comes with a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder engine, producing a respectable 187 horsepower and 186 pounds-feet of torque. This engine is mated to a refined 6-speed automatic transmission, delivering smooth power delivery and impressive fuel economy. But for those craving more excitement, The turbocharged 2.5-liter variant is the one to go for. With up to 250 horsepower and 320 pounds-feet of torque when using premium fuel, this turbocharged powerhouse transforms the CX-5 into a truly engaging SUV. Mazda's i-Activ all-wheel drive system comes standard across all trims, ensuring superior traction and handling in various road conditions. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling winding mountain roads, the CX-5 remains composed and responsive. The suspension setup has been fine-tuned for 2025, striking a perfect balance between comfort and sportiness. Mazda's G-Vectoring Control Plus enhances stability during cornering, making every drive feel precise and controlled. Plus, the retuned steering system provides better feedback, ensuring that you feel connected to the road at all times. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the base engine delivers an estimated 26 miles per gallon in the city and 31 miles per gallon on the highway, while the turbocharged version still manages respectable numbers for its performance capabilities. Technology and safety have also been upgraded in the 2025 CX-5. Mazda's i-Activ Sense suite now includes an enhanced adaptive cruise control system that operates more smoothly in stop-and-go traffic. Lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera system provide an extra layer of confidence behind the wheel. The CX-5 also introduces a new driver attention alert system that detects fatigue and suggests brakes when needed. Another standout feature is the improved voice recognition system, which now understands natural language commands more effectively, making hands-free interaction a breeze. Wireless charging and multiple USB-C ports ensure all devices stay powered, adding to the convenience factor. As for pricing, the 2025 Mazda CX-5 remains competitive in the compact SUV segment. The base model starts at around $28,000, making it a fantastic value considering its premium features and build quality. The mid-tier trims, which add more luxury and tech enhancements, range from $32,000 to $36,000. Meanwhile, the fully loaded Turbo Signature model pushes the price closer to $40,000, but for that, you get the most powerful engine, premium Nappa leather seats, and all the latest tech Mazda has to offer. Compared to rivals like the Toyota RAV4 and Honda CR-V, the CX-5 continues to stand out with its superior driving dynamics and upscale interior. So, is the 2025 Mazda CX-5 worth it? Absolutely. Mazda has once again proven that you don't need to break the bank to enjoy a premium driving experience. With its refined styling, engaging performance, advanced tech, and competitive pricing, the CX-5 remains a top contender in the compact SUV segment. Whether you're a daily commuter, a road trip enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates a well-crafted vehicle, this SUV delivers on all fronts. That wraps up our in-depth review of the 2025 Mazda CX-5. What do you think of this latest model? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Turbo Trendz TV, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more exciting car content.